Hi all you veterinarians out there, it's Roger Sakatch. I wanted to take a few minutes today to show you how to use my new app that calculates the safe surgery time for an animal that you may be working on. Today we're going to be working on Rex the collie, and we have an oxygen supply, and the pressure in our tank is currently 400 psi. And we're going to be using some equipment, which is just typical equipment, where the tank volume is 660 liters when the tank pressure is full at 1900 psi. We're going to be using a rebreathing system today that has 50 milliliters per kilogram per minute expulsion rate. And just as an alternative, let's consider another Bain system, which say has 150 milliliters per kilogram per minute. And Rex the dog weighs 22 kilograms. So now we have all the inputs in, and we can just simply hit the calculate button. So we can see up top that we've calculated 126 minutes under the rebreathing system, and much less time, 42 minutes only, for the Bain system. Let's turn off system 2 for now and plot the results for the rebreathing system. So there you can see it. On the x-axis is the weight of the dog, 22 kilograms. If we come up to that curve and then over to the vertical axis, we can see about 126 minutes. Note also that if we have a range of certainty as to what this animal weighs, we can also see the range of time that's available for the surgery in accordance with that weight. We can also turn the Bain system on and replot the data, and now we can see the Bain system also plotted in yellow. You can see the large difference between the two sets of numbers. We also have the ability at this point to change some of our input parameters. Say we found another tank which has 1000 psi in it. We can just simply type in 1000 psi into the current pressure, hit the calculate button, replot it, and there we go. Now we have 315 minutes left in that scenario. And there's our plot for us. Let's return to the main screen and recalculate the button now, and I wanted to show you that we can also tabulate the results in numbers just by clicking on that tabulate button. There is the rebreathing system for the animal weight and the calculated surgery time on the left hand side, and the same information for the Bain system. Alright, we can return to the screen again, and we can iterate around on these numbers as we feel fit. So how do you get a hold of the software? It's not all that difficult. You just pull up Google, go to the Microsoft App Store, type in Microsoft App Store, and then hit enter. It'll take you to the proper location. And here I'm just going to expand my screen so you can see it a little bit. And we're just going to click search. And we're going to type in SurgeryO2Time. There shouldn't be a space there, so we'll fix that up. So just SurgeryO2Time, and there it is down below. When you hit enter, it will come up, and it gives you an opportunity up in the top right hand corner there to download the app. It's free, and for you to enjoy. All right, take care. Bye.